Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the 12-inch long, 12-volt warm white LED replacement bulbs for the T5 Fluorescent Lights, and it's for a quantity of 2 bulbs. Now these are LED tube lights, has 39 diodes that will upgrade or replace the T5 fluorescent light bulbs to provide a nice warm white light for your RV, marine, or automotive interior applications. It's great for overhead, under cabinet, and high bay fixture applications. Does include everything laid out here on the table. The 2 LED tube lights with the plug-in connectors, an 18-inch long wiring harness, a 30-inch long ground wire, and 2 wire nuts. Now this light is a directional design. It does provide a 180-degree beam angle of focus lighting. And I am going to hook this up to some 12-volt power at the end of this video just to show you that beam angle of the lighting and how bright the lights are. These do use high output LEDs that make great replacements for fluorescent lights. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours. They're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output, and there's no bulbs to replace or ballast malfunctions. These lights are compatible with dimmable fixtures for simple adjustment of the light brightness. They do offer a built-in surge protection that'll safeguard your internal electronics, and they are a non-polarized design for easy installation with no wiring changes. Basically, when you plug this power harness into these, you end up with 2 wires, a black and a red wire, and it doesn't matter, either wire can be used for either function, power or ground. Few specs on this. The quantity is 2 LED tube lights. The bulb type replaces is the T5. The length on each light, and I'm going to measure from the connectors to the other end of the connectors, you can see is right at 12 inches long. The light type again is warm white. The light temperature is 3500 Kelvin. Light output is 520 lumens, and the diodes, there's 39 diodes. Wattage is 2.7 watts, and the power draw at 12 volts is 0.23 amps. Now these are designed to replace up to a 30-watt incandescent bulb. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to hook this up to some 12-volt power. First, what we're going to do is let me hook up our wiring harness. You can see on this end there's 2 plug-in 2-pin connectors. So you just line it up on the one, push it in, it'll clip into place. Take the other one, line it up, it'll clip into place. So you got your wiring harness hooked up, and then you have your 2 wires, and like I mentioned, they're black and red, but it really doesn't matter. You can hook up either one to either one and it'll light it up. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up that one, and then we'll go ahead and hook up the other one. And since we got them hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and turn on our 12-volt power. You can see with our 12-volt power on, there's your warm light design. And then to give you a better idea, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see how these 2 12-inch lights give off a really nice, bright, warm light. And to mention the beam angle, you see if you turn it, half of it is encased and the other half is the light. So it gives you a 180-degree beam angle of light. You can see how it lights up this room. We'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the 12-inch long, 12-volt warm white LED replacement bulbs for the T5 Fluorescent Lights.